So today we will understand how to build powerful interactive data dashboards using hvplot panel and holoviews. Well, this hvplot panel and holoviews, these are Python libraries which are used for visualizing and exploring data. And these libraries allow you to create interactive dynamic visualization that enables you to interact with the data in meaningful ways, which makes it easier to understand and gain insights. So first is this hvplot, which is a high-level plotting library built on the top of holoviews, which provide an intuitive interface for creating charts, graphs, and other visualizations. So with hvplot, you can quickly and easily create professional quality plots with minimal amount of code. Then we have panel, which is a library for creating web applications using Python. And it provides a set of rules for building complex interactive user interfaces and visualization that can be easily shared and embedded in web pages. Well, this panel enables you to build dashboards that are accessible to anyone with a web browser. Then we have holoviews, which is a core Python library that provides a high-level expressive interface for creating complex visualization, including charts, graphs, and interactive displays. Well, it supports a wide range of visualization backend, including Bokeh, Matplotlib, and Plotly. HoloViews allows you to create powerful visualization that can be easily customized and shared. So let's understand a simple code to create interactive dashboards using these Python libraries. So in this code, first of all, we will import the necessary libraries. That is, we will take hvplot.pandas for interactive plotting with hvplot. Then we will use panel as pn for creating interactive web components. Then holoviews as hv for high-level data visualization. And then we will load the data. So this code will use a pre-existing data frame called df from bokeh sample data, which contain car specification. Then we will define some color palette. So where a palette is a list of colors in the dashboard. Then we will have the grouped mean values, which calculates the mean horsepower of these different combinations of origin, cylinders, MFR, and years for car with 4 cylinders, and from either Ford or Chevrolet manufacturers. And the result is a data frame with only one row. We have the head of data frame, which shows the first few rows of data frame df. And then we will make the data frame interactive using idf, which is an interactive version of the original data frame using hvplot.pandas function. And then we will define the panel widgets. So here cylinders, which is an integer slider to select the number of cylinders. Then we will have MFR, which is a toggle group to select the manufacturer. Then we will have y-axis, which is a radio button group to select the y-axis variable. And then we will combine this pipeline and widgets using iPipeline, which is a new data frame, which is created by selecting rows based on values chosen in the widgets and then grouping and calculating the mean values. And finally, we will create hvplot and tabulator components using this hvplot, which is the group data frame, is plotted using hvplot with options to select the x and y axis variables, colors, and line width. Then we will have itable, which is the data frame, is also displayed as a table using this tabulator widget. And then we will lay out and display the dashboard. So here in the template, this pass list template from the panel library is used to create a dashboard layout, which includes the sidebar widgets, the main components, and options to customize the appearance. And then we have a template.surveyable. Well, this line displays the dashboard in a Jupyter Lab or Jupyter Notebook environment, which allows you to interact with the widgets and see the results in real time. So this code demonstrates how to create an interactive dashboard with Python, Pandas, hvplot panel, and holoviews. And this dashboard allows users to select different variables, manufacturers, and other options to explore and analyze the data in dynamical and customizable way. So whenever you will run this code in Google Colab, you'll get the results like this. So these are the interactive dashboards which we are getting using this. Okay, thank you.